I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find a charge on your Discover card that you believe is fraudulent, here is how to dispute it effectively. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your recent transactions carefully to confirm the fraudulent charge. Make sure it is not a legitimate purchase you may have forgotten. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about the transaction, including the date, amount, and merchant name. This will help support your case. Step 3. Contact Discover. Call Discover's customer service or use their online chat feature to report the fraudulent transaction. Provide them with the details you gathered. Step 4. Follow up with documentation. If requested, send any documentation or evidence to Discover via email or their secure messaging system. Keep copies for your records. Step 5. Monitor your account. After disputing the charge, keep an eye on your account for any further unauthorized transactions. Consider setting up alerts for new charges. Remember, acting quickly is key to resolving fraudulent charges. If you stay organized and follow these steps, you'll increase your chances of a successful dispute. Good luck!